Tell 'em about the wars. I was in World War II. They put me in a school to learn finance. We had a dance on Valentine's Day. I was coming down the hall, and this lady come down the other hall. I let her in front of me so she could walk into the dance floor. I didn't know if she was going to dance or what she was going to do. But she kept walking right to the line. We had a rope across so you wouldn't crowd the floor. And I followed her in, and as soon as we got there, I grabbed the rope, lifted it up like that, grabbed her hand, pulled her on the floor, started dancing with her, and we danced, and we danced, and we danced. The rest of the night we danced, and then we danced some more for 64 years. We danced for 64 years. I took her home. She was just what the doctor ordered. She was a great lady. We had a lot of very good life together. Very good. I did my part, she did hers. It worked out well.
He's the best guy in the world. He's my main man. He is. He truly is. Yeah, he's been a good dad. He's been a good husband. He's a good grandfather. Now he's a good great-grandfather. So, yeah, he's all around a nice guy. He's worked really, really hard all of his life to take care of us so that my mom didn't have to work. He's always been there for us. Well, actually, he'd been going through the VA, and they suggested it back in December. It seemed like he was failing, somewhat, his health. And they thought that Hosparus could be a better support package or an additional support package, and they have been.
I do this because it feeds and nourishes me, and particularly with our elders. I'm a veteran, and most of my work that I want to do is with veterans. We don't have too many World War II veterans left, and our Vietnam veterans, which are the boys I went to high school with, are now aging. So it's that relationship is what gives to me.
Just coming here and talk to me just helps a lot. I spend time with Lynn and whoever comes in here, and as long as we can sit and chat a little bit, why, that makes my day.
Well, it's just, there's people that, that are always there, if you need somebody.
Frank wanting to know if he could go to Washington was a big deal. We were just hanging out, and he was watching a news clip on television, and he said, I'd like to go. Nobody's ever invited me. And then Yvonne is the one who put all the paperwork in and did all the background and applied for him. And we were happy that they accepted him.
I'm his caregiver, and he had seen it on TV and was curious about it. And when he had mentioned it to one of the workers that came, she got the ball rolling, and before you knew it, he was signed up.
We just appreciated every minute of it. It was so, just so great to be up there, finally. And there was a crowd there to greet us after we got home. I was so excited to see so many people. How about that? Ooh, wow. Throw kisses, and there was 5 beautiful women come out and kiss me on the cheek. Oh, Lord, yeah, that just drove me on. So I just kept going till the end. And I got to the end there, and my grandchildren were standing there with that sign. Said, "Welcome home, Grandpa." And I just blew up. I just thought that was great.
I was so proud. So proud. Sorry. Sorry. So very proud.
Oh, I wouldn't do this if I wasn't tickled to death, It was great.
The best day of his life. We both are tired, but it was well worth it.
I was just sitting here doing nothing and kind of feeling sorry for myself. And they come in, brightened up the day, and they've been doing that ever since. And so I'm very thankful for that.
Well, I knew he'd be a card. You know how my dad is. Yeah, that's my dad. You should stay with him some nights. Yeah, he's amazing. Aren't you?
I don't know. I guess so. You say so.